Hello, my Kabbalistic people. How are you all doing? Thank you so much for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. If today first time you are coming across us or you are seeing our platform for the first time, this is Progress News here on YouTube, and I bring it to you back to back. See, my wonderful family, I know that you will be seeing this video right now and you will be surprised at what is really going on. Hey, who are these people? What is going on? Yes, that is the reason why I am here for you. I am here for you to give you all the latest updates. And as we know, Biafra is a lot of things has been going on and we don't really understand, but God is in total control. See, you guys know that Simon Ekpa made a pronouncement about 5 days shut down sit at home in Biafra land, and that did not go well with a lot of people, and a lot of things has been going on. There is a lot of gbas saying that no, you should not put in a 5 day sit at home. And before now, the head of the DOS, that is Shika Dezemu, came out and said that he's giving last warning to those people enforcing sit at home and all that they are going to take solid action against those people. And today we see this Eastern Security Network, according to the site where I got it, a reliable source from Shina Sanwo-Olu, say that these are Eastern Security Network. According to his caption, he said, Eastern Security Network Tactical Team Operative Central Command continue to train, as we all know that the days ahead is evil. See, let me tell you, the days ahead is because of this 5 day sit at home of Simon Ekpa. That is the days ahead that they are looking forward to. Don't just ask me how do I know. It is obvious, because they've said before that they don't need this sit at home, and anybody that is going to enforce the sit at home, or anybody that is going to come out to fight the people or to threaten the people, that whatever the person see, the person is going to take it, that there is no sit at home in Biafra land. And they issued a lot of names because Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor, when he returned from seeing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu on 5th of December 2022, he also brought his own response or his own report from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. According to him, he said that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said Simon Ekpa is a criminal and is working for Tinubu, so he is enforcing that sit at home because of Tinubu as a shoe. And a lot of things has been going on, and these are Eastern Security Network, according to them, that they are training that anybody that will come and enforce any sit at home on the people, the person is going to see Shege Jaguar. But before then, I want to open a clip of a little video for you. This little clip is as a result of what is causing a lot of things. If you see this clip, you will know that this is set up. You will know that this has nothing to do with this sit at home. Rather, these people just try to hijack this sit at home by releasing this little clip of this video to threaten the people, to make the people feel that things are not right. Now, I want you to watch the little clip and I'll be right back.
The information is that from December 9, December 10, December 11, December 12, and December 14, nobody should be seen outside. It is sit at home. Stay in your house. Use this time. Use today. See it. Buy everything you need. Stay in your house. If you come out, you will die. Mark my word. In Biafra land. They are talking about Biafra land. They are not talking about the whole of Nigeria. We are talking about Biafra land. Buy everything that will sustain you for these few days I am mentioning, and stay safe in your life, in your house. Stay safe in your house. Stay safe in your house. Stay safe in your house. Don't come outside. I repeat, December 9, December 10, December 11, December 12, and December 14. It is sit at home days for Biafrans. If you come out, you will die. Don't say we did not warn you.
Believe me, between me and you know that this voice is fake. You know that this person that released this clip just released it to cause more confusion. I am telling you the basic truth. What these people are doing, they are just making things worse. They are just making things difficult. I disagree with this voice. And I did not believe this voice that is among Mazi Simon Ekpa is the one that is in charge, is the one that do this. No, the person that do this clip is fake. So please, that is why you need to share this video so that you will know that at times there are some things that we are getting wrong. Yes, we are getting a lot of things wrong. And now, I want you to listen to the main one. The person that made this call, he is one of the barrister that went to visit Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, according to him. And he said these are the message of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and he's trying to pass it to the world. But I have something to say after the message. Then I will be right back.
Powerful, Tudwama. Anamekenage. Because eso Nnamdi Biafo onye ndu yesterday na DSS. What you say with 50? Eso Nnamdi Biafo onye ndu yesterday 5th of December 2022 na DSS. Afambu na emeke Ejiofor. Abu mo lawyer di men the lawyers na ekpere ibe. O nwere ozi o si ka nzie e powerful. Ka nzikwuo ndị ọzọ ka unu nwee ike reprocast ya. Anya bụ ozi bụ na ya nụrụ na na-enwe na nwere ndị chọrọ itinye sit at home 5 days sit at home from 9th of December 2022 to 14th December 2022 minus on the 13th of December 2022. Wesi mungu unu na ndị anụ wana ya chitinye da sit at home bụ ndị achọrọ ka ya pụta from the dungeon ọnọ. Na ndị a bụ ndị federal government amalami kwụnyere ụgwọ n'aka ha wee tinye ọgba aghara n'ala Igbo wee na-eme sit at home ma nke kwesịrị ime ma nke ekwesịrị ime. Also, and they declare sit at home 5 days n'ala Igbo na December. Ebe amakwa na December ka ụmụ be anyị ji anatasi ụlọ. O wee na-asị na sit at home of 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th and 14th December na ya kansụl gị ya. Ọ sị m gwa gị ịmapa afọ, m gwa Chinasa Nworu, m gwa Edozie that they should broadcast it and cancel the sit at home they declare from wrongful source. The only person on when you declare sit at home was the head of Directorate of States, DOS, Chika Edozie. Any other declaration by any other person from any other quarter is illegal, is unlawful, and must be stopped. Or where's nobody, you not support Hindi Igbo na-eme, you not support freedom a na-achọ, should enforce any sit at home on the 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, and 14th of December 2022. Also, what I matter now, like the criminality going on in Igbo land. When I say any anybody involved in kidnapping, in killing of ndị Igbo, is fighting against the cause of Biafran freedom. Ịma na-egbu ndị chọrọ ịzọ azọ, ịma na-kidnap ndị chọrọ ịzọ azọ, ịma na-ezu property ndị chọrọ ịzọ azọ, ịchọ ka ị na-enweta their support. That is not the spirit under which IPOB is formed, and that is not the spirit of the Igbo man to kidnap his own, or to steal, or rob, or kill his own. Recruited bandits nwere ike na-asụkwa Igbo na ha abụrụzi ndị Igbo because of omume ha na-eme. So anybody from anywhere, whether in Nigeria or outside Nigeria, a command is kidnap one them mother, especially ndị Igbo anyị. Ma ọ sị je napụ ha moto ha, ma ọ sị je zuo ori, ma ọ sị je egbuo ha egbuo, na onye anwa abụrụ onye Igbo, and onye anwa abụrụ onye ya na ndị Igbo kwesịrị inwe mmekọ. That ndị Igbo in all ramification must fight against such people. Biafra or IPOB anaghị egbu ndị nke ha, anaghị egbu ndị Igbo, ha anakwụrụ na-egbu mmadụ. Ihe ha na-achọ bụ freedom. So biko, one of the messages also can see unu dị ha. So it's powerful. You can rebroadcast it directly as I've said it, or if there to Jerisu area. But these are the words of Mazen Namdekano on the 5th of December 2022 when we visited him in the DSS. Myself, Nemeke Jofo, Ifeanyi Jofo, and Chief Mike Ozekome SAN. Thank you very much. Jesus Christ. Amen.
You see the write-up of this our brother, he speaks wisdom. At times when we want to do some kind of things, we should also think twice. This sit-at-home that Simon Ekpa declare, there is a way you can talk to him one-on-one. You hear from him. Me, I'm just concerned because we are not putting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in the center of everything. We are not putting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in between Simon Ekpa, please. Let's stop it. It's not right. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they should not use this to disturb him, honestly speaking. Because I can just imagine how Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be feeling after the visitation, after they've gone. This is what he will be thinking. And his mind, his state of health, in fact, he will be thinking different things. Oh my goodness. I can just feel the pains that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is. Please. Let us try. Let us try and not to be disturbing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu with all these things. Let's not put the name of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in between what is going on. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, what he needs right now, he needs strength. And you people are the only one that can draw this strength to him. Not making him to be so sad and down. Imagine after the visitation, imagine the way he will be feeling, please. Simon Ekpa have told you that he did not take any permission from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Neither the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu send him anything. What he's doing is what he know that Biafra love. So why don't you talk to Simon Ekpa? You are putting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in between Simon Ekpa. Come on, please. Let's allow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to gather himself. Let's pray for strength for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu instead of disturbing him with all these things. Please, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have no idea about this sit-at-home. He has nothing to do with this sit-at-home. I'm telling you. Please. So that is the message or the update that I brought for you. I just feel the pains of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu right now. Honestly speaking, I'm feeling his pain. Imagine the way he will be feeling right now in DSS custody. Please, let's not be disturbing him with all these things. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for listening. Please share this video. Thank you and bye-bye.